In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Overstock credit card. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Overstock website. From there, look for the Overstock Credit Card section and open the page for managing your credit card account. On that page, you'll see an option to manage your card account. Click that option and you'll be redirected to the card servicing portal, which is the secure area where you can access and manage your account online. Once the sign-in page loads, you'll be asked to enter your login credentials. Start by typing in your username in the username field. Then enter your password in the password field. Make sure both are typed correctly, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters. If you're on a personal device, take a moment to confirm that everything looks right before moving on. After entering your details, click the Sign In button. If your information is correct, you'll be logged in and taken directly to your account dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your Overstock credit card and review important account details. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to view your account balance, which helps you quickly see how much is currently owed. You can also check your transaction history to review recent purchases, payments, and other account activity. This is especially useful if you want to monitor your spending or confirm that recent charges are accurate. You'll also have the option to make payments through the portal. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, you can set up autopay so your payments are scheduled automatically. In addition, you can download statements for your records, which can be helpful for budgeting, expense tracking, or simply keeping copies of your billing history. Another feature available after signing in is the ability to update your personal information. This can include things like your contact details or other account-related information, depending on what the portal allows you to manage. As a quick tip, always make sure you're signing in through the official Overstock credit card management page and using a secure internet connection, especially if you're accessing your account from a public place. That's it. Once you know where to go and what to enter, signing into your Overstock credit card account is a simple process that gives you access to all the key tools you need to manage your card online.